From a beautiful sunny Maldives, just walking back from the ATM. Today we are going to go to a local island called Gulhi, G-U-L-H-I. It's one of the best beaches I've ever seen in my life. It's the best place for jet skis, hands down. It's got the coral reefs, it's got the sandbanks, it's got all the nature, it's got like a dolphin lagoon, turtle lagoon, so you see loads of cool shit. And yeah, it's good to get the drone out, it's really flat water. It's also on a local island too, which means there's no alcohol. You can only wear bikini vests and swim shorts, like you say, on places. You've got to be really respectful to really strict Muslim culture on the island. So yeah, I'm gassed up, just literally on the way to get the boat now. It cost $5 per way, so $10 a turn obviously. So yeah, let's go and check it out and see what's popping. Here in Guhli, beautiful paradise beach. What are you saying, babe? You like it?
Love it, yay!
Yeah, crystal blue waters. Like I say, it's a local island, so you've got to like adhere to the local laws, no alcohol, that kind of stuff. But it's what it is. Chilly for a couple of hours, top the tan up. It's not sweat, it's coconut oil. Fresh coconut oil that is straight from the coconut. Hit the jet ski, get the drone out, and go and explore the water, see what's in there. Jet ski time number 1. Let's get it. You ready? Let's go!